Good girl. No, sweetie, you don't have to low crawl. Just walk normal. You're fine. Come on, sweetheart. Good girl. You're doing good. See, you can do it. It's a weird floor, isn't it? Yeah, you can do it. Weird floor. More pad, less claw. Come on. See? Come on, you can do it. Good girl. You can do it. Come on, love. You're a good girl. Get you a toy. Want a toy? Okay. Dingo. Come on, love. Come on, we can do it. You're doing good. Good girl. Very good. Goofy. Goofy girl. Come on. You can do it. Come on, show me. Good girl. It's not going to hurt you. It's not slippery. It's not ice. Come on. You can do it. Goofball. Come on. Honey, it's just linoleum. Are you scared? Huh? Come here. You're okay, lovey. You're okay. You're okay. I know. You can do it. You're a big girl. You are a big girl. Yeah, you are a big girl. This is just linoleum, sweetheart. See, look. Mommy hit it. See? It's nothing. You can live. Are you scared? Hey, look at me. Dingo. Turin. Turin. Look. Hey. Look at me. Look at me. Hi, lover. Look at mommy. Look at, oh, sweetness. It's okay. All right, let's try again, okay? Let's try again. Come on. You can do it. Get up. Walk, stand up. Duck. Come on, duck. Turin. Come on. Duck. Let's go. Try. Try. Good girl. Nice try. No, baby, not low crawl. Come on. You gotta... Come on. Come on. Watch this. You ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. I know, it's horrible. I shouldn't laugh at her. That's just mean. Look, now she's going to do the rinse and tin crawl.
There you go.
Oh, you know you're going to be laughed at on YouTube, right? All right, Turin. There's a good girl. You can do it. Very brave girl. Very good. Wow, you're doing it. Well done. Excellent. Good girl. You know, y'all have the best floors for training. I know. I came in specifically to get coffee, but I don't think she would be able to sit still long enough for me to buy coffee. She's not used to using the linoleum yet.